always wanted to learn to play an instrument, but I never really got into playing one or learning one, besides a recorder. But that might change today with the Lava Genie. So let's go ahead and unbox this and start making some music. Upon opening up the box, the first thing you'll be greeted with are these manuals, chord stickers, and some more stickers. Quite a few stickers actually. Then there's this soft fabric carrying case with the Lava logo in the middle. It features a fabric handle on the top and two hooks on the back for attaching a strap, offering various ways to carry the carrying case. Opening it up, here we have the Lava Genie. Now you might be wondering, what is Lava Genie? Well, it's a unique, stringless foldable smart guitar that blends innovative technology with a creative musical experience. Designed for both beginners and seasoned musicians, this instrument offers a new way to learn, play, and experiment with music. Now, let's go ahead and set up the Lava Genie. Step 1, unfold the body of the Genie. Step 2, insert in the neck. And step 3, attach the strap if you want. Next, you're going to want to download the Lava Plus app where you will unlock all of the features of the Genie. The app features a collection of expertly curated videos that guide you through the process of using the Lava Genie, offering step-by-step instructions to make it super easy to get the Genie up and running. To unlock all of the features of the app, you do have to purchase a membership, and there are 3 plans available starting at $2.99 a month. And the membership fee covers songs' copyright costs to ensure fair use for all musicians. The Lava Genie also implements AI with a chord chart feature that transcribes songs in real time, guiding you through the chords with visual cues. It's like having a personal guitar tutor at your fingertips. The Lava Plus app is not just for adjusting your Genie's settings, it's also a social hub for Lava guitarists. With hundreds of presets to explore and thousands of popular songs to choose from, it offers a variety of options to elevate your musical experience. The Genie immediately stands out with its minimal yet futuristic look. The sampler guitar feels as good as it looks, with its premium-grade polycarbonate and silicone build. The fingerboard consists of 7 blocks. Each block functions as a chord degree. If you want more than 7 chords, there's an option to extend it to 21 blocks. You can also customize each block to your liking via the Lava Plus app. Going down the fingerboard, there's a block for changing up the tempo, another block for backing drums and bass, and then the last block has a Lava logo where it stops all the music when you tap on it. There are also 3 touch capacitive buttons on the back of the fingerboard that allows you to change to different keys manually, or you can also do it via the app. Going further down the guitar, you'll find 6 LED lights for arpeggio. This has a touch capacitive element to it. I kind of had to get used to it in the beginning, but once you get used to knowing where to touch, it's pretty easy and fun to play with. The guitar features 5 soft buttons. There are 2 buttons on the top. One of them, the bigger one, creates a strumming effect, while the smaller one produces a plucking effect. You can also increase the length of the effect via the app. Almost forgot to mention, but the fingerboard also consists of interactive lights that can also work as a guiding light. This makes it super easy for me to play a song without having to look at my phone or anything else. It just almost makes it feel like a fun little game, like Tap Tap Revenge. So just to show you how simple and easy it is to learn a new song, let's learn one together. I'm going to play We Don't Talk Anymore. All you have to do is tap on the song. It's going to download all the presets and change the settings specifically needed for the song to play correctly. So once it's done downloading the preset, it is going to play a tone, letting us know that we are ready to play. So just like that, we're now ready to play. And now, let's learn a new song. With the guiding lights, it makes it so simple and easy that I don't even have to look at my phone. And you can also freestyle within the song as well, or try to make your own sound. To power on the Genie, simply press and hold the LED crown power button. You'll know it's on when the guitar lights up and emits a tone. Talking about the tone, this sampler guitar has built-in speakers. It features a bass speaker and a full-range dual-driver speaker. Despite its thin and lightweight design, it delivers surprisingly loud sound. In terms of battery life, this has a 2500 mAh battery that can last up to 6 hours when playing music via the built-in speakers or up to 8 hours when playing music via an external speaker. Now, let's play some music. This was my first time playing here, and it took me about 10 to 15 minutes to get used to the buttons, and after that it was just straightforward. Learning a new song literally was instantaneous with the guiding lights. Now, if you want to spice things up a little, you can activate the bass and drum section right here. Just like that, it's ready to play a new song. Overall, the Lava Genie is more than just a MIDI controller. It's an instrument that anyone can enjoy. It seamlessly blends intuitive design, incredible tonal flexibility, and advanced technology, all while remaining easy to use. Whether you're jamming at home, performing live, or recording in the studio, the Lava Genie provides a level of control that lets you unlock your sound like never before.